Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. I'm so thrilled to show you our HEADZ library, where you can have more than 400,000 combinations of 3D heads. They are fully rigged, so you can do much more combinations if you want to. The coolest thing is that once you buy the library, you can use it multiple times for projects, products, apps, websites, for branding, for social media, for Instagram stories, Snapchat lenses, etc. etc. In VR, AR.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Let me show you briefly what is inside. Let's go! As you can see, inside are like heads of people and also heads of pets. We have 2 dogs, 1 cat. As you can see, our libraries are used by people in Apple, Oracle, Microsoft, Lyft, Orange, and many others. If you want to see inside what combinations of 3D heads we have like different types of hair, different types of mustaches, accessories, eyes, expressions, teeth, gestures, color, skin, hair types, and female accessories. One more important thing, that hands are included too, so you can do different hand gestures. So as you can see, we have also pets here, so we have Husky, we have Shiba Inu, and we have cat in different, let's say, emojis, like pet emojis, I would say. So inside is Blender generator, where you can do the combinations, and you can change the lights, you can change the colors, you can change everything you want to. So it's pretty easy. We created different tutorials for you if you are new to Blender. So as I said, hands are included, so they are fully rigged, so you can play with them. And if you are not master of Blender, we created different tutorials, and of course please have fun with that, because you can use it for different approaches, for social media, for your branding, so you can go and do some pretty fun stuff. Okay, so here are like some showcases where you can see like the heads. You can do simple animations, and this is how it looks like. It's extremely cute. If you don't want to have full package, you can purchase like any of these for lesser. But right now we have for one big 30% off, so go there. This is just for the product hunt. The coolest thing is that you can combine it with our other libraries like characters, animals, emojis, and you can build your own brand on 3D, which is quite cool, because there are not many people are using 3D because it's much harder to do. So once you do it, you will be easily recognized among your competitors. So go ahead, use 3D and have fun. And I want to show you one thing from Kevin Al-Rizal. He created some landing page with heads. This is how it can look like. It's pretty fun to do. As you can see, he combined different libraries. This can be your page. Thank you so much. That was from me. I'm Sam, and if you have any questions, write me at samuel@3d.design. Have a great day. Bye bye, and stay creative.